welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we will be talking about linear equations with multi-step. Okay, so let's look at this problem. We have 6n minus 1 plus 6n equals to 11. First step, we need to identify like terms. On this case, we have 6n and 6n as like terms. So 6n plus 6n will be 12n minus 1 equals to 11. Let's add 1 on both sides. And what do we have? This negative 1 plus 1 cancels out. And we have only 12n equals to 12. Now let's divide by 12 on both sides. This 12 cancels out. And we'll have n equals to 1. This is our answer. Okay, let's go ahead and verify. How do we verify if that answer is correct? Let's rewrite our equation. 6n minus 1 plus 6n equals to 11. So remember what's going to happen. This n equals to 1 needs to be replaced instead of the values of n. So we have 6 times 1 minus 1 plus 6 times 1 equals to 11. So 6 times 1 is 6, minus 1 plus 6 times 1 is 6, equals to 11. 6 minus 1 is 5, plus 6 is 11, equals to 11, which is correct. Therefore, we have verified that effectively the solution of this equation is n equals to 1. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember, you can send your questions, your problems. We will be happy to create content for you.